In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from the Tap Mining app step by step. Whether you've been mining for a while and want to cash out your earnings, or you simply want to understand the withdrawal process clearly before redeeming your points, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Tap Mining app and go to the main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Balance and tap on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. After opening the Balance section, click on the Redeem option and then select Lightning as the withdrawal method. You'll now see your main balance along with your BTC points. And here it's important to remember that withdrawals from this app are supported only through a speed wallet, so make sure you have that ready before continuing. Next, click on the amount field where it says Please Enter. You'll see several details that help you understand the minimum withdrawal limit and how many Satoshi coins you currently have. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Enter the exact amount you want to withdraw based on your available balance, making sure it meets the minimum requirement shown on the screen. Once you've completed these steps, open your Speed Wallet and go to the Receive option. After that, select Lightning and create an invoice by entering the same amount of Satoshi coins you are withdrawing from Tap Mining. You should now copy the invoice address and paste it back into the Tap Mining withdrawal page without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double check that both amounts match exactly before tapping Redeem Now. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps avoid failed transactions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to withdraw your Tap Mining earnings to your wallet easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.